In this video, Bitcoin has invalidated the Bitcoin bear flag and it has now formed a bullish signal. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you first a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa previous analysis, we were monitoring this Bitcoin breakdown from this Bitcoin bear flag. And as you can see, this Bitcoin bear flag is pretty much seen dito in the 4-hour time frame. However, on top of that, 'di ba sabi ko sa previous video, we have started seeing a falling channel, and this falling channel is traditionally a bullish pattern, but at the same time, 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo, we have to monitor because we are also in a bear flag. So it might continue to the downside. And 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo, naka-short position ako up from the 69k up until dapat ng 63. But as you can see right now, we have seen a bullish breakout na nga dito sa falling channel. So in this case, this has invalidated the Bitcoin bear flag. So what is the thing that we are going to monitor right now? So as you can see, we have started to form a major resistance dito around the 68.9k. And right now, it's very crucial for Bitcoin in order for us to see a continuation to the upside is it has to break the 68.9k, which is right now it is roughly playing around that area. So if ever now na mag-break out tayo to the upside, then we might see the following targets, which is number 1, the 71.6k, and then the number 2 target, which is the 74.6k. So there are two targets here, and right now I have opened a long position dito kay Wix. So naka-open ako ng long position from this current price. Then ang target ko is once na mag-hit yung 71.6k, just ko yung trail stop ko into 69.70, 69.7k. Then once na mag-increase pa siya further, adjust ng trail stop to around 72.2k around this area. So, yun yung magiging strategy ko dito. And take note guys, if you are going to trade this KWIX, you also have the chance to win a flight to, I'm not sure kung saan siya, but you have a chance to win some flights if you are going to trade kay Wix. So, if magte-trade kayo, tapos gusto nyo pagkakitaan, might as well join na rin kayo dito. Join lang naman kayo and then gawin nyo lang usual trade. And then yung link nito is ilalagay ko sa description down below. But either way, makikita nyo rin din tong link sa Facebook post ko. So, ayun o. Dito yung link sa baba. So, if you want to join din dito, make sure to check out this Wix giveaway. So, yeah, very sayang to if hindi nyo sasalihan. So, join na kayo dito. Pagkakitaan nyo na and i-take advantage nyo na. And if wala pa kayo account with Wix, make sure to use the sign up link na kasama din dito para kahit paano makapag-join din kayo. But yeah, going back, yun lang yung nakikita nating move right now with the Bitcoin price action. Let's try to look some other chart. Let's try to look at the investment chart na meron tayo, which has the stochastic RSI. So as you can see in the 4-hour time frame, we have seen a bullish cross. Sorry, we have seen a bullish breakout. So in this case, we have to look at the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, of course, we have to look at the one step higher na time frame. If you're going to confirm a move in the daily time frame, you can see na we have already made bullish crosses dito. So in this case, we are now in a bullish move. So right now, yung long position na inopen natin is somewhat intact or somewhat following this bullish MACD cross. So that is what we are currently monitoring dito with the Bitcoin price action. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.